Tes. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise be to Allah, God, who has merciful, the merciful, who has given us blessing and opportunity so we can present to you. You can hear to see our presentation about our project results. Salat and salam always be upon to our Prophet Muhammad SAW and his followers and his family and his followers until the day after. We are from group 5 in this project with the theme web programming for mobile device. We are about to, before we begin, let me introduce to you my team. First is me, Musa Habibur Rahman, and second is my teammate, Rehan Rizky Aksal. In this project, we have the title Global Perspective Sport. It's our website name. And for the next session is about, we discuss about introduction about system analysis about our project. Introduction system analysis. In this web project, on this occasion, we implemented the use of the Bootstrap library, jQuery, and several other versions of the framework, both similar and different types and versions. Some of the features that we implement that come from these frameworks are responsive slides, ratings, tab bar content, JSON data news, responsive content, and many other features that we have implemented responsive web on various devices. Because of this project is about web programming for mobile devices, so it's our duty, our project, it's our job, our assignment to make this web responsive, which is it can be accessible and still responsive, still great, a great look on other devices like phone or mobile, not only on PC or desktop. We have also created a repository for in GitHub in github.com/musaha/gps1. That's our repository in GitHub. You can access it. Yeah, you can access it to see our project in GitHub. Here. The next section is about my friend Rehan Rizky Aksal will present to you about homepage in our index page.
The global perspective sports system analysis. The title of this project is Global Perspective Sport. This project is an Indonesian startup company that provides field booking service, info about sport, and selling sport stuff. They are to make it easier to get various kinds of sports in the same place or in the same website. In this project, we use the Bootstrap framework in the CSS section to design the navigation bar, then use jQuery to add some features such as content tabs, star rating, smooth scrolling, and loading JSON data. The next is technology diagram. This website, there is some page. There is home, fields, shop, news, and about us. The first page is home, and the second is fields. There is a branch for this page. There is tennis fields, basketball fields, and football fields. And there is shop. There is a branch for this page. There is a store page, and after that, news and about us. To design interface, Let's go to the website. Okay, the first page is the home page. In this page, we designed the navbar with the Bootstrap 5. There is a title of navbar, and there is link from the navbar. There is a home, reservation, shop, news, and about us. In this reservation link, there is a branch. There is a drop-down link for this reservation. There is tennis, basketball, and football. And after that, we go to the slider or carousel in the Bootstrap. This part is basically for inform the visitor what is this website offers to. And after there is a news. After that, there is a store, and there is a fields reservation information. And after that, there is about us, and there is our store is coming soon. And there is the news, the sports news. There is the sports news, there's some sports news too for thumbnail. And we can check the responsive of this page. Okay, for the for iPad dimensions, this is the preview of the website, the page, the home page. It's already responsive. And with the iPhone dimensions, yeah, there is already responsive too. I think enough for this page.
The next section is about fields section. As you can see, in field section we have 3 sub page. First tennis page, basketball page, and football page. Basically, all those 3 pages same feature, same page with different on content on each field. If tennis is tennis, basketball content basketball, and football content football. So I just present to you just tennis page. In tennis page we have description, this with feature smooth page scrolling. We use in the code we use tennis.html. You can see the page scrolling is in hero code. So when the user want to scroll without move to other section without scrolling, we have this section. Of course, with help of jQuery library. And then next feature in tennis page is rate. We can see the rate feature. Because we don't use database, we just put it on command prompt, command section. For the rate, we use this input ID Kartik with class rating, data star 5, data step 0.5 or half, and value 5. So when button is clicked, the type is submit with ID button rate. So the ID button rate processing in here script in this script is just alert function. When it click, it's alert your rate with ID and value. And the next feature is data. Here we fill with content with the fields already provided or each fields. The next is about shop page. The next session is about.
Okay, next. The next page is the shop page. In this page, there is the two navbar. The first navbar is for basic navbar. In all page there is there is the there is this navbar, and the second navbar is the shop navbar. This navbar just in this page. We designed it with the Bootstrap tool. Okay, the first part is the slider or carousel in Bootstrap. This is for inform the visitor about we are discount or even or something. And after that, there is a shop by category. There's a men category, woman, kids, and accessories. And after that, the bestseller items in this shop. And after that, there is some brand, if we can choose one. And after that, we can see this responsive page. Okay, first we can see in the iPad dimensions. There is this is the preview of the page in iPad dimensions. This page are already responsive, and after that we can see in the iPhone X dimensions. Okay, this page already responsive too. And after that, we can go to the our store page. In this page is okay. In this page, we sell all the items. There is a bag, volley jersey, barbell, basketball, and all the items. And there is a navbar, new navbar. This is for the category and sort by. But this link, I haven't created the page link for this page. Men, woman, unisex, highest price, lowest price, and newest product. And football, basketball, tennis, golf, boxing, and running. I haven't already to make a page for this link. And now we can see the responsive page. The first one we can see in the item page, in the iPad dimensions. Wait. Okay. This is a preview of the website in the iPad dimensions. And this is the preview of the iPhone X dimensions. I think this is already responsive. Okay, I think enough for this page.
The next section is about news page. So we can see here the news page contain picture and the caption. We use data JSON for this page here. We use for the form, the basic form. We use this div article, class archive div, and we use data JSON for calling the item in JSON. This is the JSON news.json, include photo and caption. So the item using what in news.json. The next section is about us page. And this is our about us page. So you can see here there is gallery and here news just for our company. So we can see the code. We use slides and of course navbar and site page, site div for class site, include image, and this the news for our company. The last thing I want to explain to you is that all of our page is already responsive. So you can see, we check here. It's already responsive. The content is responsive to the settings. If we access it from mobile device, it's automatically resizing to size of the device. This index or home, if we access fields, it's already responsive. This is the fields. News already responsive to, and about us. About a responsive page for about us. For the last, all of our project is already updated in here in GitHub repository, github.com/musad/gps1. Maybe that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.